All right, we're here at the Sandland Treehouse where Carl has decided to make it into a ground house. So the treehouse has mostly been the squirrel activity center here. They've just been chewing through the walls and running wild in there. I think the new plan is to lower it onto these concrete piers, and it'll be the new ground house slash shed thing at the top of the zip line here, which we also need to maintain because this is just a zip line into brush at the moment. But unfortunately, no more suspended treehouse hanging from the trees, which is sad, but possibly safer. Are you all the way through? That's much more stable than I thought.
Yeah, I mean, we'll lose that character, but I don't know. Right now, it's just for the squirrels, so
Yeah.
maybe if we lower it, we'll do something and make it for the people again.
So you're tensioning each one, and then you're taking off the old steel cable?
Doohickey.
Oh, is that an important doohickey?
Yeah. I mean, it's the thing that keeps it from tipping over.
So are you trying to lower each corner at the same time, or are we doing one? Are we running around?
Yeah, at the same time.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah. So, and with
Oh,
an
you do have
extra
a
hand,
little. Okay.
so you can kind of see that line.
Yeah.
Which is on both sides.
Okay.
And I think I'm actually, since we've got 4 other people, I think I'm gonna be on a ladder over here,
Okay.
so I can get a little better view at the.
The zip line seems a little looser than it should, so not sure what it's attached to at the other end anymore.
This treehouse isn't in great shape, so don't try to be like a hero saving it if something starts shifting or like if the treehouse tips over, that's fine as long as nobody gets smashed. Like that's. Oh, it's too hard. It's too hard.
All right, we're mostly down. And yeah, swing the thing around. All right, well, the treehouse used to be up there, and now it's down here, almost on the ground. Yeah, we're not really square with these piers, so we'll have to rotate it and push it over to match. Well, it's much easier to see inside the treehouse from this level. And you can see all the squirrel damage.
Yeah, I mean, we just make 2 big loops.
Little tree rats have really shredded the interior of this place.
We want it to twist that way anyways.
That's a tricky one.
We can cut the right.
Yeah, no, the piers are quite level.
Oh, but the treehouse isn't level.
The treehouse structure has like warped
Okay.
over time.
All right. And we've squirrel-proofed it professionally. No squirrels are getting in there. All right, well, the treehouse is now the ground house. It is on the ground, it is on the cement piers, and it is sadly much less interesting, but probably safer. So I guess that's a 50-50 win-loss situation. What do you think, Carl?
It went down.
Yeah?
Came down fine.
Came down.
Nobody got hurt. We had a couple little surprises, but nothing major, so it's good.
Sounds good.